In today's digital age, making money offline might seem like a daunting task, but there are still countless opportunities to generate income without relying on the internet. The first crucial step is identifying your skills and interests. Your abilities can shape the type of side hustle or business venture you pursue, allowing you to enjoy the process while earning a steady income. One of the classic yet effective pathways to make money offline is through providing local services. Landscaping, babysitting, dog walking, and house cleaning are services consistently in demand. By word-of-mouth promotion or posting flyers in your neighborhood, you can attract potential clients. Consistency and exceptional service can quickly turn part-time gigs into a reliable source of income. Another offline money-making opportunity is renting out assets that you own. Whether it's renting out a portion of your home on a short-term basis, leasing out your car during the day, or even renting tools and equipment, these activities can generate passive income. The key is to ensure your assets are well-maintained and appealing to potential renters. Perhaps you're artistically inclined or enjoy crafting. Turning your hobby into a profitable business is possible by participating in local markets, fairs, or art shows. Handmade jewelry, custom furniture, baked goods, and artwork can attract significant attention. Additionally, many communities have physical storefronts that offer consignment opportunities where your products can be sold. Investing in real estate remains one of the tried and true ways to build wealth offline. Purchasing property to rent out or flip can yield substantial returns if approached wisely. Real estate requires a thorough understanding of market trends, costs, and legal requirements, but it can offer long-term financial stability and growth. Finally, consider gaining new skills through vocational training or workshops. Plumbing, carpentry, electrical work, and culinary arts are trades that consistently have high demand, with lucrative earning potential. Many of these skills can be acquired at community colleges or trade schools, offering you a hands-on education that translates directly into job opportunities. In conclusion, making money offline is entirely possible with the right approach and dedication. By leveraging your skills, seizing opportunities to provide in-demand services, renting out assets, selling handmade products, investing in real estate, and gaining new skills, you can create multiple streams of income. Offline opportunities still abound if you know where to look, proving that you don't need to rely solely on the internet to achieve financial success.